Hello everyone. On my last off-road trip I noticed something really strange when I was editing the video, and I want to get other people's opinion on what they think they see here. I was at Rubicon Springs. It was roughly 8:47 p.m. on August 21st. And as I was recording this lighting show, I was nowhere near the camera, but when I got home I started editing and noticed that this strange image is in the lower right side of the screen. Here are some different angles and speeds of the image. Let me know what you think.
Where's your jacket, Kim? Where's your jacket, Kim? Where's your jacket? Kim? Kim? Where's your jacket, Kim?
Here's a lit image of the stationary camera. You could see what was in the lower right corner, and you could tell there's nothing for it to reflect off of.